As part of the Home Depot seed program, I occasionally get stuff to try out, and I decided to show you what the unboxing of it is because I'm not sure what's inside each of the boxes that we got today. I think they're light fixtures, but don't know. So let's open and discover and get some first impressions. So we have good packaging. I was wrong. It's not a light fixture at all. It's a Delta Pivotal. It's a double, what's it say here? It's a double Robe hook. So, no, I think it goes this way. But in the box it's this way. So if you put your Robe on it, I guess over here, no. If you go this way, it falls off. So if the wall's here, then I guess it has to go this way. We'll find out when I actually open it up and read the instructions on it. Let's see what's in the other box. Oh, I will say that it looks nice. It's chromy. And it's Delta. Good brand. Okay. Ooh. Here we have Halo, known for their in-ceiling lights. This is a direct mount HLA. It's on a gimbal. It has a narrow flood, but it tilts and rotates. It's 4 inches, 5 selectable colors. This is going to be fun to play with and see what it really does. And I actually have to install this somewhere in the house. I have an idea where that might go. This one is different. This is a direct ceiling mount. It has a tilt, it has rotation, but whereas this one has, I guess, the power transformer, this one doesn't. Is it built in? No, pictures are the same. So it looks like it just have a pair. Quickly here, let's see, 650 lumens, only 10 watts. Oh, okay. So this one, they don't need housings because they're direct mount, both 4 inches, ultra thin gimbal, direct mount. I don't know. We'll find out when we install these what the real main difference is. Anyway, but I thought I'd just show you the beginning of what happens when I get stuff to try out. So first thing I do is read the directions, find out what each one of these does, what it takes to install it, and then I'll actually install these and tell you what I think about it. Looks like the Robe's sliding off, but maybe the Robe goes on over here. I don't know. We'll find out because the picture looks this way and this doesn't. So if maybe that's a product defect, and I don't know. We'll find out. I'll let you know. All right. Thank you.